Hi everyone, this is Happy Bird from happybirdsglitternest.blogspot.com, and I have a small Hobby Lobby haul for you today. So if you are sensitive to bag crinkling, then I'm forewarning you now, and please turn on your closed captions, okay? Now, they have in the store 66% off Christmas decorations, decor, and Christmas crafts. They didn't include the tableware within the 66% off price, but it was 50% off. But something happened that surprised me, okay? So I found these beautiful vinyl placemats, and my first thought was, what an awesome deal this was, even at 50% off, because at 50% off it would be $2, okay? But when I got to the cash register, she gave me 66% off, so I ended up getting these for $1.36 a piece. And the sign said that the tableware was not included in that 66% off, so I don't know why placemats were not included in that. But I was so happy to find these, because these placemats are really large, okay? And I've used the vinyl, the glittered vinyl before on a lot of different tag projects. I'll put this underneath lace, and you can really see the glitter. This is beautiful, and this does not rub off at all. So I got this for $1.36 in the gold, and had I known that they were only $1.36 at the register, I probably would have ended up putting more in my basket. They had this beautiful green color. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I picked up the silver. It's such an awesome deal. You get such large sheets. I have a little project coming up using this too. A very simple one this Friday, but I think you'll like it. And I know that they had red prior to this, because I had seen the red placemat, but when I went to my Hobby Lobby yesterday, couldn't find any red placemats, so somebody probably came by and picked it up. Okay. Then, I used this before in one of my tag tutorials, and this was originally $2.49, but I got it for 85 cents. Isn't that nice? I don't know if you can see it. Very pretty. Okay, and then I picked up these, regular $2.49, and I got them for 85 cents. They had a lot of stickers left over, a lot of Christmas stickers, and Christmas kits, you know, like ornament kits, things like that. And this was regular $3.49, and I got this for $1.19. Isn't that pretty? If you can see it. And then this was $2.99. I got it for $1.02. Little poinsettias. Then I picked up this, and this was regular $3.49, and I got it for $1.19. I thought that was pretty. And believe me, I would have picked up a ton more, but I had to control myself, because they come out with new things every Christmas, and I didn't want to have a ton of old stuff from last Christmas, which would be this Christmas, and then not be able to buy any new things because I had so much of the older stuff. So this, these are 3D, and I thought These were pretty little embellishments. And this was regular $2.99, and I got this for $1.02 with a discount. And I thought these would come in very handy. These are the clear stickers, and it just simply says Merry Christmas. Okay. But these were $2.49, and they were 85 cents when I bought them. So you can use those for a lot of little things. And let's see, what else did I get? Oh, I picked up this wire. This is an 18 gauge wire, and it's just for making Christmas crafts, ornaments, and things like that. You can make icicles with these. It's a nice weight, and it was originally $3.99. I got this for $1.36. Yeah, and there's 75 feet of this 18 gauge wire, so that's way cheaper than the Dollar Tree. And then they have a little clearance section in the back of the store, and it always seems like they have a lot of these invitations back there marked down, and I think what it is people will look at the invitations and open them up to see what's inside. I'm not sure, but there seems to be these type of things in the back all the time. And this was reduced from $5.99 to $1.49. And what I like to do with it is I like to make the double gift card holder. I posted a tutorial on that on my channel. I'll go ahead and see if I can find the tutorial, and I'll post a thumbnail of it at the very end of this video so you can click on it. But I like to get the larger cards like this because because they're invitations, they come with these nice heavy-duty envelopes. And last week I found some pink ones in a card set, similar to this. So I don't know, I really like them. So I buy these mainly because of the envelopes, because they're so nice and heavy-duty, and I can slip my double gift card holder right into this, and it fits perfectly. And then, of course, you always have these cards like this, and you can do all kinds of things with this. They're a nice weight, So I really like checking out that section each time I go to Hobby Lobby. Okay, and also in that same area, they had all kinds of Thanksgiving napkins and place cards and little picks, like toothpicks, with paper pumpkins at the top and things like that you would put into cupcakes. And these were 90% off. So the original price was $3.99, so I got these for 40 cents. 40 cents a piece. You can't beat that. Let me open up one of them. I wanted to buy a sketchbook when they have them half off at Hobby Lobby, and I wanted to kind of make, I guess you would call it a journal type thing, but it's just, I want to collect, my favorite recipes, my favorite things that I like, scriptures, things like that, and just add it to this little sketchbook I'd like to buy. So here's the place cards. I thought this would be pretty to add to a journal. And so I got a deal on those. And I went to the jewelry shop section. I picked these up because I have an idea for these. These are just little earring wires, and they are 10 karat gold plate, $3.99, but these were marked 40% off, I believe. So I didn't pay that price, but I thought that was a good deal for those. And then lastly, I picked up 2 of these paints. Actually, I was lucky to find them. I don't know if you're a Hobby Lobbyist like this, but the paints have been extremely scarce since this COVID thing started. I'm not too sure why. I mean, but I mean, let's put it this way, there were more empty spaces on that shelf of paints than there were actual paints. And I did get this in a baby pink and a minted aqua. I think that would be pretty to use this on the little jars that I showed you how to make in my last tutorial, or ornaments, anything. So I just picked them up. I was glad to find them. So with that said, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this small tutorial, and you might want to check out Hobby Lobby. I mean, I got some pretty good deals, I thought. And you take care, and thank you again for watching. God bless you all. Bye-bye.